Hey everybody, this is Baxter here and welcome to another video. We're going to be talking about a compressor pedal, specifically the DC Electronics Forcefield. And this video is not sponsored. Let's look at the sustain, and we're going to look at 4 settings. We're going to look at 0, the 9 o'clock, the 12 o'clock, the 3 o'clock, and the 6 o'clock. So let's bring our sustain down all the way to 0, and I'm going to play the same riff. Alright, so that's sustain, nothing happening. It's pretty much kind of leaving the compression off. Let's bring this sustain of the compression pedal to 9 o'clock. Alright, 12 o'clock. Three o'clock. Alright, let's look at attack. Attack is pretty much how much of the compression you want. So starting at 0. Going on to 9 o'clock. $12. 3 o'clock. And 6 o'clock. Radio. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.